Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and to all my new subscribers, hi, I'm so excited that you guys clicked to subscribe. I love you guys, like, thank you so much. So I'm going to show you guys 5 different ways to use the Diamond Bomb How Many Carats highlighter from Fenty. If you'd like to see how many ways you could use this, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and tell your mother and your auntie about me. And let's get right into this video. I did do an initial review of this highlighter and the Gloss Bomb lip gloss, and I'll link that up here if you guys haven't already. Check that out. The reason I look ring-a-ding right now is because I don't have any foundation on. The reason I don't have any foundation on because the first way we're gonna use this is use this as a primer. I know it sounds weird. So how I'm gonna use this as a primer is I'm gonna get some of the product off of here. I'm gonna use my favorite moisturizer, which to me is the Mix Easy Face Cream. So I'm gonna use my moisturizer. I'm gonna use a little bit of that and combine it with the highlighter. In the fall and the winter, when your skin gets really dry and it's hard for us to have that dewy look, this is really good for that because one, my face is moisturized and it's like glittery, so it kind of gives it like a glowy look. And this honestly kind of mimics one of MAC's primers. And now I'm gonna put my foundation on, you guys, and I finally cleaned my dusty ass blue. I'm so excited. Good. Today will be a good day. In Jesus' name, amen. My face does look a little darker right now, but it's gonna get lighter once I conceal and everything. But I do like the way it's making my face like glisten and look really dewy. So the next thing I'm gonna do using the How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlighter is I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow. This is a very nice highlighter to use as an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger this time, and then I'm just gonna press like the glitter on my eyelid just so it can look a bit dewy, and then there's more pigment, but I don't want it to be overly done because, you know, your girl ain't trying to do the most right now. This could be really good for people or your auntie or your mama, especially your mama. For those of you who don't know how to do eyeshadow, this is a good trick because you get the nice, like, not overly done eyeshadow look, but it still looks like you attempted to do something really nice and it worked out. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face, and then I'll be right back, so don't go nowhere. Okay, so now the eyes are done and the face is almost done. The third thing we're gonna use the Diamond Bomb How Many Carats highlighter for is to highlight. And at first I was using a brush, but I think it's probably gonna look even nicer when I use my finger. Now that I look porcelain, the fourth thing I'm going to use this highlight for is to put it on my lips. What I'm going to do first is get some of this highlight and put a little bit on my lip like that. So that puts a little bit of glitter. And then I'm going to get a clear gloss and put that right over it. And I'm just going to line this because this is the Antique Velvet Matte Lipstick from MAC. I can't find a lip liner that this color. If you guys know of a company that has a lip liner that's a dark burgundy that look really nice on dark skin, please let me know, please. Because I went to the beauty supply store, tried to get this, didn't look good. I used to go to Kiko's closed, and then MAC is way too expensive. Like, girl, like, I got strip on camera. Okay, so last but not least, what I'm gonna use this highlight for is to make my body glow. Don't worry, I'm still wearing something underneath. I'm just kidding, I have clothes on, okay? Actually, I'm gonna use my fingers and kind of rub it all over my body, girl. You see, even if you're crusty, it still kind of makes you... Do you hear that? I need some lotion. Compare this shoulder to this shoulder, like... And I know, like, it's getting colder now, so, well, it's gonna get really cold soon. So you're not gonna be having a lot of outfits where you are showing your shoulders, but like a Christmas party or New Year's Eve, or even for Halloween if you want to be a unicorn or something. But yeah, that is it for this look. I'm kind of feeling like the glowy vibes. Don't worry, it's more translucent and it looks more wet than anything, and it makes your skin look really, really glowy. I did do a video, I believe last year, of how many ways to use the Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I'll link that up here for you guys to check that out. But it was very useful to a lot of people, and I thought, you know, why not do it with this product? So yeah, it's $38, but it's like everything you need in this little container, and it's good for traveling, because especially when you want to consolidate what you're using when you're traveling, this is a good thing to bring along with you. If you guys get this video to 300 likes, guess what I'm gonna do? I will use this highlighter on my boyfriend and do a whole makeover. I know we can do this, Taylor Tribe. Make sure you like this video. Mark refuses for me to do his makeup, because I keep saying like, hey, can I do your makeup? Like, girlfriend does boyfriend makeup. He was like, absolutely not. But if you guys come through, I know he's gonna say yes. So please give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 300 likes so we can see him glowed up. And I'll film the whole process of him getting like a whole makeover, trust me. I'm so excited. And if you want to be official Taylor Tribe like these ladies, make sure you click the link down below in the description to get my merch so you can officially join the Taylor Tribe. If you do have my merch, or when you do get my merch, make sure you take a picture of yourself, put it on your social media, tag me, and then you could be featured in my next video, girl. But that is it for this review. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. What's left was all black.